What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So, with all the hype around Shiba Inu, a lot of people like to focus on the long term growth of this position, something that's going to take 5 to 10 years. But a lot of people are impatient and want to know what will be that next play. And I think there's a lot that are out there that people will quote and say Saitama Inu, will say Vault Inu, will say all of these different positions that have a trillion or a billion or uh, sextillion tokens that are out there. And that's just a lot to take in, a lot of tokens to expect a large move very, very quickly. And also to see some growth over that long period of time. Because if you don't know, I'm usually in a lot of positions for more of a long haul to where I will basically hold on to a large sum of that position. And as I see time go on, let some go so that other people can get in and we can see consistent, slow, consistent growth that just looks absolutely amazing on the chart. Well, I have a position for you guys, and I want to let you guys know that I am a part of this because of the fact that I reached out to them and said that this project looks really good. And as I look through all of the other Enus and, that were meme coins that are out there or popular coins that were out there, again, it just showed so much in the fact that there's a lot of coins that are out there. It's too many coins. Everyone had to do a massive burn of 50% at least. And in order to see levels that we want to see, it would have to be 99%. However, there's a coin out there that I believe is something really big. Now, again, I reached out to them on Twitter and said I wanted to be a part of this because I feel as though this is going to be a really big coin, in the long term. And I think a lot of people will see the popularity behind it, and they're already seeing the popularity. They already have about almost 10,000 followers on Twitter. And that position that I'm talking about is Zelda INU, right? Zelda INU, it has a lot for it. And the first thing that I noticed when I went into it was the circulating supply. But let's first get into what Zelda INU is, and then we'll break down what the price of it is, where the circulating supply is, where the expectation of growth is, the holders. We'll go into all of that stuff and how to get it as well. So Zelda INU is a decentralized token focused on revolutionizing the way we look at crypto. A first of its kind, fully transparent coin with one core value, helping dogs in need by funding the rescues who saved them. I feel like just that vision alone obviously sits well with me. Most people that know my channel know that I have, 2 cats, I have a dog, I love dogs, I love animals, so anything that does help out animals, that's obviously great. But what I wanted to focus on is I wanted to go into the white paper really quick. So you have the Zelda INU white paper. What I wanted to look at, you can go through the table of contents yourself, you can go through a lot of that stuff yourself, but I think one big point that we want to look at is, one, they're trying to build the community, and two, other things that could benefit the investors. It's all about the investors. As soon as I reached out to them and said I wanted to be a part of it, they said, look, we care about the investors first. So we want to make sure that you obviously have the right frame of mind and that you don't obviously have any type of malicious intent. And I don't. Most people that know me, I'm very transparent. I will open up to you. That's why I decided to tell you that I reached out to them and asked them for this opportunity. But the big deal that you wanna focus on, the big idea that you want to focus on, is the BUSD reward system. You end up getting BUSD back as you do hold on to the position. So basically, they have a 2% tax. If you want to know about this, you can read through all of it yourself. Now, what you're going to see here is that they have a BUSD tax of 2%, which means that tax will go to everybody that buys and sells the position, and then it will be redistributed to Zelda INU holders, which is really, really good because then you're getting some sort of a benefit back in the long run. As long as you hold it, you can do it. All you have to do is just add BUSD to your wallet, and you'll see those reflection rewards come through. So it's more of like gaining some sort of an interest or a dividend off of a position. Rather than having that form of staking it, you're gaining some sort of a dividend off of the position if you wanted to apply it to stock lingo. And if you go a little bit further, they obviously talk about their missions and understanding, shelters, understanding rescues, understanding how they want to help dogs in need. And hopefully you're a part of that vision as well, which I feel as though I am. That's why I wanted to be a part of it, because I love animals. They go through their circulating supply and show how much is locked in liquidity and how much goes to burn, how much is selling and marketing and dog rescues and teams. You could see that full pie chart that they do break down here. You can see there's a total of 600 million that's in circulation, which is very low. Another thing that I wanted to bring up was burning. Right from the start, right from the jump, they actually burned 15% of their total supply, which is really good. And you'll see that when we get into the details of the token holders and all that stuff. But they just recently burned more. It wasn't just the 15%, but they just recently burned a little bit more within their ADA call. And that was around 2 million, I believe, that they burned, give or take, a couple thousand or so. But they did burn a decent amount within that call. And I wasn't part of it, but I did hear about it. Now that we understand what Zelda INU actually is, let's dive into the detail of the project, what the price is, what the circulating supply is, what the total supply is, what the holders look like, all of that stuff, which is the meat and potatoes that you guys really want to know about. So Zelda INU currently stands at 3 cents, about 4 cents, almost 4 cents, right? Currently, it's at a $19.2 million market cap. The total supply is the first thing that I look at. And when I noticed this, it was 500 million supply, which shows something that could have a lot of potential growth and only have 500 million supply. That means that this is going to do nothing but grow a lot, especially at only 4 cents with a $20 million market cap. That shows just a 5x up to 100 million. And then, you could see another 10x up to 1 billion, which I believe every coin finds a way to get to that $1 billion mark. And as long as you have a team behind it that's willing to support it, and when you do see that crypto run where people are looking for positions just like this, I mean, they're going to be happy to get into this, and you're going to see that really skyrocket, in my opinion. Again, none of this is financial advice, but I just love to talk about positions that have a ton of potential. Now, while we look into the chart, let's go ahead and break down all history. We could see in the beginning, we saw this up in a level of 10 cents or 11 cents. And then we saw it decrease down here while the crypto market was falling. It wasn't anything on Zelda INU, right? They weren't even offered on every single platform. And now they're starting to branch out to different exchanges. So seeing that growth or growth potential from where they were at their low, this is literally the time to make that move. As it was up in these points, now you're seeing that level to where it looks like something that can really take off. From these levels of actually being flat, being more consolidation at times, you see it at this low, and now you start seeing it create higher highs and higher lows on the way up, creating that level of getting to 4 cents, and then 5 cents, 6 cents, 7 cents, $1, $2, and so on and so forth, right? This could be one of those positions that actually moves a heck of a lot more than people think it will. Now let's get into how you can get it real quick. So Zelda INU, if you wanted to get it, you have to go over to PancakeSwap. You can get it on PancakeSwap, Bitmart, and Hotbit. I recommend PancakeSwap because it's just easy. You can add it to your MetaMask wallet right here from CoinMarketCap. And then if you also want to add BUSD to your MetaMask wallet, from here, all you have to do is, add to your MetaMask wallet, and then you'll see the rewards come in as well. So you can get it through PancakeSwap. You can get it through having MetaMask, or I believe Trust Wallet. You can go through PancakeSwap through there and get that over there. You just have to copy the address to, PancakeSwap. So that was my video for you guys. I feel as though Zelda INU could be really big. It could be something that's similar to the next Shiba Inu, not in the amount of percentage, because obviously Shiba Inu grew by 2 million, 20 million. I don't even know how many million percent from the beginning, but you're seeing, people that got into Zelda INU early, see so many different benefits when it comes to the price, it comes to their balance, it comes to how much they can gain over time, because a lot of these things may take time in order for them to play out. And I think this could be a really great position to get into currently at the lower point of the chart history. And seeing it at a $20 million market cap just shows me that it's easy to see a double, triple, quadruple, 10x, or even 100x, right? It could be really big. So guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. If you guys want to be a part of the Let It Burn channel, feel free to subscribe to that. Also, go and follow Zelda INU on Twitter, as well as following me on Twitter, so that You guys can get updates to things that are happening here. I'm so glad that they, made me a part of it, because I do want to talk about this coin. I did want to talk about it on the live stream, but I wanted to reach out to them to see if they can offer something so that, we can obviously have some sort of a partnership, because it shows that I definitely believe in where this can go, because I physically reached out to them. I bought it before I reached out to them. And I'm glad to, be a part of this in at least a little way, a small way. So that's my video, guys. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.